the diagram, we used the circuit construction kit from the PhET simulator and created our own circuit. After creating a series circuit, we took the value of resistance from our table and plugged it into our resistors. With every trial, we added 10 to the resistance of the resistors.
My name is Melchor Alvina Jr. and in this laboratory experiment, I was assigned as a procedure in this part. And like last time, we used the PhET simulator just like what Sir Monoso told us in the video to know the result of resistance, current, and also volts. We used the resistors to get the resistance, and we used the ammeters to get the current, and lastly, we used the voltmeters to show how much volts we have. And then, we connect the ammeter so that we can change the value of resistance.
Hello, so today I will be explaining the table in our experiment. In every trial of our experiment, the resistance increases by 10 ohms. The value of the currents were computed using the PhET simulator. These are the given values. The voltage in the experiment is a constant 50 volts. Next, the computation of the experiment. To find the total resistance, you must add all the resistance. For example, R1 plus R2 is equals to total resistance. To find the voltage, you must add all the voltages. Like for example, V1 plus V2 is equals to total voltage. And the current is equal, the total current is equals to current 1 and current 2. These are all the computations we did in the experiment. That is all. Thank you.
In this laboratory experiment number 5, the main goal is to validate the principles that govern the resistor's behavior connected in a series connection with reference to Ohm's law. Particularly, there are two resistors attached in the circuits. According to the series circuit principle, resistance total is obtained by simply summing up R1 and R2. 3 trials were made and we had observed that in a series circuit, the increase of resistance means that power in volts is also increased. Therefore, R1 and R2 combined is the R total present in a live series circuit because the same current is received by the resistors in this kind of circuit.
To answer to the objectives of this laboratory activity, we have verified through the 3 trials made that the same current flows through each part of a series circuit. And so the total resistance of that series circuit is actually and quite simply just equal to the sum of all the individual resistances. Along with this also, the voltage applied to a series circuit is equal to the sum of all the individual voltage drops. So therefore, we can infer that the results of our experiment showed appropriation and can substantiate the rules, or shall we say the principles that govern resistances.
Let me see it.